Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be working behind the WRX today. We're actually going to be working on the tail lights. We're going to be tinting this section right here. And then afterwards we're going to be taking these badges off. Just trying to get a little bit cleaner look back here. I know it's a little bit bulky with some of this black plastic down here, but we're going to see what we can do to make this rear end look a little bit better. So what we have here is the Sticker Fab Dark Smoke. This is for tinting the tail lights. So let me show you how that's supposed to go. So that's supposed to go just in there. So let's get to work. All right, so first we're just going to be just cleaning the lens off with just some soapy water. Just making it clean. And grab the sticker. And look at that, the left side is done. So there's a after, there's a before. So I definitely think that looks much better. It's pretty easy to put on. Flat surface right there, so pretty easy to put on. I put a little too much soap in the water, so I did have to heat it up a little bit with the heat gun to make it stick a little bit better, but now it's nice on there. There's no bubbles at all. There's that one little dot right here that is part of the lens. The same thing right there, but other than that it is perfect. So let's get to this side and finish this one up. Just like that, both of them are tinted. I think the rear end looks much better with those tinted. It kind of like ties it in a little bit. Even though it is more black on the back, it's it's kind of glossy, but I mean it looks much better in my opinion with the tint on the tail lights. So let's take these badges off and let's see what this is going to look like. And there we have it. The taillights are tinted. The trunk is debadged. I think that was another improvement in the aesthetics department on this car. It definitely needs to get lower. Definitely needs some wheels. Waiting on some Fortunatos to come out for the car, and I do have a wheels in mind for this car, so you guys will have to stay tuned to see what wheels we put on this car. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. Let's go.